Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you where you can find your Google reviews. All your past Google reviews, what you have posted on the Google, you can view it all at one place. I received few of the comments asking me like where I can find my Google reviews. So it is pretty simple. Usually, when you visit any restaurant or hospital or any kind of service which has Google Business online, you can find that products on the internet and you may write a review. For example, 2 years back you have written a review, and now if you want to edit it or if you want to just check it, you can check it. Actually, reviews are related to the Google Maps. Yes, the first thing you need to have is Google Maps on your Maps app on your mobile. So if you don't have this app, you can just install this. I already have this app, and see here, this is what the home screen what you'll usually see when you open Google Maps. At right top corner you'll find this account, means this is the Gmail account what I have logged in on my phone, so it is appearing here also. You need to check whether this is the correct Gmail ID, because at the time if you return the review with that particular email, those all reviews will be saved under this account only. So the fourth option, contribute, you need to click on contribute to check the reviews, and you need to click on view your profile. Under your profile, see here reviews, and at the bottom, at the last of the, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see something like see all reviews. You need to tap on that, and once you tap on this, see these are the review section. These are the reviews what I have posted through the years. So this is how you can check your Google reviews all at one place. And as I told you, if you want to edit something, you can click on the three dots or click and edit. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.